Make sure you gotta make sure the hair looks good, you know what I'm saying? But y'all, welcome back to the channel, man. We are back. But we are here. I'll pull up to this like kind of like supercar type of car show, I guess. But I was pulling in and I see some nice cars, man. I see some nice cars, some fast ones too. So we'll see. Let's go take a closer look at what they got here. But let's go. So just taking a gander here. Oh baby, does the lineup look good? We got some boys pulling in still. Well, over here we got, you know, beautiful Corvette lineup right here. Got a C7, C8 right here, another C8, C7. Look at this Porsche right here. Ooh, 911 turbo. Sounding real good. And then behind it is the Evo. Following a beautiful, very nice. On the RPFs, of course. It's only right. It's only right. Sounding real good. Peeping the STO right there. I was saying, we got, you know, Corvette lineup right here with a Chevy SS, and man, this thing smells crazy. I can smell that. On a beautiful cow hood. It's like a green, it's kind of like a green carbon fiber. Looking real nice though. Of course you gotta be on the slicks, of course. And then we got this beautiful GTR just parked up casually. I think this is the, oh no it's not. I thought it was gonna be like the 50th anniversary one, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, but hey, GTR still looking good, man. Looking real nice. In this SS, we got the Blue Devil, blacked out, murdered out ZR1. Jeez. Looking very nice. What a 5.0 C6, another C6 over there. Another ZR1 right here, looking really good. Right next to that, we got a Z06 on the drag pack, looking real nice. And then behind here, I believe this is a Whippled SS. Oh yeah, Whippled SS. Damn, crazy. Right over here, which is a ZR1, looking real crazy. Look at this, boosting. Damn, look at those carbon buckets. Real crazy on these blue wheels, looking real nice. Here we got this like baby blue matte LC 500 with the carbon hood, and then, you know, we got a, you know, 3.7. There's also like a little area back there too, and inside here the garage, and then there's a 5.0 pulling in right there, green 5.0, 370 leaving. Looking real nice, bagged out, aired out. Let's look at this trunk setup. Real nice trunk setup right here. Make sure you give them a follow on Instagram. And then right next to them we got the bad cats. Super low. Damn, you gotta watch out for those. You fucking get stabbed with them bitches. Damn, look how that shit's sharp as hell. Bag Hellcat right here. Pulling the Z06 and the ZR1, the blue ZR1 with the wing on the track package. The Liberty Walk 890 Supra aired out, and we got the twin Lambo Liberty Walk inside as well. Looking real crazy. And then right here we got this bag Audi R8, super fucking low to the ground. I'm standing right next to me. This is bright blue STO, looking amazing. Jesus, man, this is crazy spec, just casual. And then we got I think that's a 488 right there next to him. Then there's a green STO right next to that one. Follow along with the bright purple, like a midnight purple GTR. Looking real nice. And with a Viper. I don't know which gen this is, don't ask me. I think this is a second. I think this is a second gen. With the 911 Turbo S right next to him. Looking great. I love those wheels. Those wheels look real good. Yeah. Look at this shit. That shit's crazy. Make my way over there and see what that has to offer. Because I see some cars over there. And I'm gonna go check it out. There's also a food truck. I might see what they got in the food truck. I don't know. Oh, it's a Cobra. Is it a Cobra? I don't know. It says Mustang GT with a Cobra badge. I don't know, man. I don't know what to believe these days. Oh my god, look at this Mach 1 though. I love this color actually. Wow, this is actually really good. Oh, and then there's a little thing in there that I'm gonna check out. But Mach 1. Evil M1. Next to the F-150 on the drag pack. You know, I like a good single cab F-150. I do. I think they're pretty nice. This Mach 1 right here looking good. Like I said, the F-150 single cab on the drags. And right next to that, got another single cab F-150 on drags. Next to the, oh my god, what do we have in there? Two-tone fadeaway color Ford Mustang GT. I only got my boy Carbon Mammoth 392, I believe it is. Yeah, give him a follow on Instagram. Very nice. Damn, this Evo's nice as fuck. Evo looks clean. And next to the Evo, we got this, I forgot what this Falcon wrap, like drift looking Ford Mustang right here. I actually like this. I see him a couple of times. Looks pretty nice. You got a 5th gen SS, 6th gen LT1 SS right here, 5.0 right there. And then we got the GTR. Oh yeah, another GTR hiding in the way back. I don't know what he's doing back here, man. And the Audi right here. I think this is an electric Audi. I ain't never seen this one before though. And it's just kind of like a little junkyard, I guess, but it's just sitting there. Little Corvette going on right there, the old Corvette. Another Corvette in the background. Now, I'm gonna make my way in there. Oh yeah, I see some nice things in there. Make the way into the shop. I need to see these crazy cars I saw peeking from around the corner. Oh, I don't know where to start. I think I'm gonna start from the left side. This beautiful bright orange Lamborghini Huracan, looking real good. I like this color. It's a nice color. There's 3 Vipers next to each other. Fuck, man, this is crazy. Jesus. And just a casual GTR on a full drag. I wonder how much power he's making. Definitely 1,000. You know, definitely 1,000. Oh my god, this color is so beautiful. Oh my god, I can't get over this. This looks amazing. Look at these wheels. I love these chrome wheels it has on it. Just just casually eating on the wing, little table. Oh my god, this is beautiful. No, I'm actually so obsessed. Oh, what the hell was that? Some car started over there. And we got Mark 5 Supra. I mean Mark 4 Supra on a fucking big old meat boy. Followed with, I believe, second. I think it's a 2nd gen. Right here, Gen Viper. With the Gallardo, what? A Gallardo? And this beautiful green one. Let me get to that. I can't ignore this Viper, you know. Well, let's go to the Gallardo. I actually haven't seen one. This is my first time seeing one really in person. What? This is crazy. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. This shop doesn't play. This shop really doesn't play. Yo, look at this Gallardo though. Wow. I really can't like get over this. Hold on. I've never seen this many Vipers in my whole life. You got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, and there's still more cars over there that I have not checked out yet. Just, you know, just a scat pack getting worked on the lift right here. Man, I would love to work in this shop. I would love to work in this shop. Bro, you see what's in here? Jesus Christ, brother. And this one has a fucking chute on it. I'm just casually under the charge. And then on, you know, on the lift, just C7, Z06, C6. I think this is a Grand Sport or Z06. Just casually. Just casual. Yep, Grand Sport. And then we got a Ferrari over there. Oh my god. And GT. Alright. This is crazy. This is crazy. Let me look at this Viper. I haven't got to look at this one yet. It's full blacked out, murdered Dodge Viper. And looking, oh my gosh. You know, the carbon wing like always. It's crazy enough to see multiple Vipers. And this one's on fucking crazy drag, parachute, murdered out. Look at this, blacked out with the fucking carbon trimming. Oh my god. This is crazy. What the hell? What the fuck? And you know, just another casual Viper right there. Looking crazy. Bro. I wonder how fast this thing is. You know, exhaust is right here instead of coming out the back. Insane. So I'm dedicating myself to this because it's actually really hot in here. There's like no AC, no nothing, and I'm actually sweating. I don't know if you can see, but I'm actually sweating, and it's actually really hot in here. I'm trying my best to provide this content. It's really hot, but right. I got GTR lineup. Let me just show you. Let me just show you. Before I get over here, move my attention to this Nardo gray with the red stripe Viper. Oh my gosh. Like that. No, but this is just insane of how many Vipers I saw within the last like 20 minutes. And then, so we're gonna make my way over here. See what we got. So we got two R33s back to back right here. We got yin and yang. Hopefully I said that right. You know, black and white, but boosted, big turbo. You know, air and get in there. Blacked out, murder. Going to the back over here. Looking real nice. Oh shit, why don't you look at that? It has like infinity. Yeah, I'm recording my phone, so leave me alone. Like infinity yo, these are fucking sick. Hold on. These are crazy. But yeah, you know, two 33s, 488 right here. Another 33. What the fuck? Then we got bro over here wearing a fucking hoodie like it's cold, bro. Like this dude's a demon, bro. I don't know what he's doing. 48 right here, looking real nice. I think, yeah, 48 or 33 boosted. I think I was boosted as well. 33, crazy piping right here. Look at this. Goes down. What the fuck? I'm tripping, like. What? That's crazy. That's actually pretty smart. Looking real good on these. I think these are works right here. Yeah, I don't know what specific these are, but I know that these works. Very nice white color. Of course, you gotta go with the right-hand drive. It's only right, straight from Japan. Well, it looks real good, y'all. Right here, we have this like ocean blue Audi R8 with forged carbon literally everywhere. Get close. I don't want to get close because, you know, there's fucking cones around this, so it's pretty, you know, I gotta respect it. But forged carbon everywhere you look. Everywhere. Oh, and there's no interior. Oh shit. There's no interior, or there's no seats, and someone just aired out. I don't know if you heard that. But yeah, like I was saying, forged carbon literally everywhere on this Audi R8. Looks really good. And next to it, right next to the Audi R8, you got the Ferrari F12, looking real nice. Actually, I was a little bit confused. Like gotta go and then watch them dip. I gotta go and see them leave. But I was gonna say F12, but I didn't want to get it wrong and sound like a dumbass. So I went to the back to go check, and it wasn't F12, but yeah, you got a nice little, like a light gray F12 right here. And as we were leaving the garage, coming all the way around to the other entrance, we had this old school Porsche right here. I actually don't know which one this is, but I'm about to find out right now. It's a Carrera. Okay, you got a Porsche Carrera. Texas department. Oh, this is actually kind of sick. It's like a drift BMW. Fucking cop inspired. Hell yeah. Looking real nice. The cop lights and everything. That's fucking fire, actually. And right next to him, we have another one on this crazy livery. I'm pretty sure this one's a drift too. Tilted as hell. Yeah, oh yeah, this was a drift one as well. Looking real good. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. Kept real clean. Yeah, that's sick as hell. Across from the drift BMW police car, we got this bagged Audi RS5. I'm not too good on my RSs and on Audi and Euro and all that stuff, but it's a safety car, right? It's a safety car. No, I'm joking. Wow, this is pretty cool though. Damn, on the, oh, that's really bright, but they put it on the sunroof because fuck. Damn, real low, real low. Right in the back, this old school Ford Mustang Mach 1, looking great. Just chilling. It's a little, oh damn, it's really junked out. I was gonna say it's a little junked out. Nah, it's really junked out. Damn. It's just, I guess it's just project, you know. Here's a, I just seen a couple, you know, just stranded and just cleaning the Porsche truck. Old Ford, I think, what is that, F-150? The old one. There's a Fox body right here. I'm gonna go look at, I saw this Mustang in the back over here that I'm gonna go look at. The GTR is on. Hold on. Oh wait. Oh, it's the Viper. So they just did they revved it because like one of their people like passed away and this and that, so they're doing like an honor rev, and some kid goes, because he was telling us like it's gonna be loud, like cover your ears and this and that, and some kid at the end goes, it wasn't that loud. I just started dying. but yeah, that's what that was. I was like, okay, that's pretty cool, but it sounded real good. I was like, pretty sure that bitch can get fucking loud right now. But dream cars, GL1, chopping down some wood. That's a clean ass 2K.
I've been in a supercharged MR2. I trade just
No, you. Hit that motherfucker.